Magic Sullivan, number 15 for Niigata Operates BB. The hard-fought round, Toyama. Very strong team, very well put together team. Rebounding, quick guards. Niigata just played Niigata basketball. We came together, fought hard, fought together. We got the win. Good, we're gonna be good. Our condition is good, strong. Learning each other more and more every day, getting better. So we can be good against the Kiwi. They're number one, so obviously they're good. They have good shooting guards. They're foreign players. They work well together with the Japanese player, and they just have a good, solid, high percentage shooting team. So we know that they're gonna be good. They're gonna fight hard. We know they come into play. So. Niigata basketball, playing hard, playing good defense, running the floor, helping each other, finding each other, just playing good basketball. We just want to say thank you for all your support leading up to this point. You guys showed us so much love in the first round. We hope that you can do the same for the second round and just try to win the championship for Niigata.
そうですね、もう本当、有明まであと、秋田さんを倒さなきゃいけないんですけど、有明のことをまだ考えないで、しっかり秋田戦に向けて集中して準備していきたいなと思います。そうですね、アウェーでも勝ててるし、決して勝てないではないと思うので、しっかり、戦ってやっぱり2つ勝たないと次に行けないので、まずは本当土曜日の試合に集中して勝ちに行きたいと思います。2日間、全力で頑張ります。アウェーですけど、たくさんの方が来てくれると思うので、新潟一丸となって、最後まで戦いましょう。